Okay, let's try this. Don't do it, car. No. There's no room. Oh, it got stuck. Sakari. Oh my god. No?
Nope, you put it right here.
Nope.
Just the
He
red
likes
ones.
the wagon.
What, when you put it... Oh my gosh, it's doing it again. It gets stuck in these ruts. That is crazy. Oh, it's... What the heck? None of the other ones do it, though.
Nope.
Oh, wait. That is crazy. It's never done that before.
Even if you do like this.
It's only the red cars.
Oh my goodness. They have never done this before.
He's probably in there rolling around laughing. He's probably like,
And now it's not wanting to do it for you, just little by little.
Only the red ones.
Especially the wagon.
It keeps getting stuck in the little ruts. That is so trippy. They've never done this.
Nope.
there's 2 rose petals.
And it's only the red cars.
What should I do with this, Dusty?
Put it out and then take it with you.
Oh my God.
Kari.
Wow.
Oh, it's going all the way across.
Okay, Kari, let's race this one. Oh, it got stuck in the rut. Oh my God. Oh.